Hey guys, so we have here two microwave here. They're still working.
The red one I've had for 12 years.
Huh? What you said? Before me and Ricky together, he has already the microwave. A microwave, this one, the red one, Emerson. The one Emerson is still nice, but inside is is rusty. That one there, guys. See, so you can see there. It's yucky there, and that one,
Got to put it in there, son.
and this one,
Got to put it in there, son. So
that one.
you saw, son.
That's nice there. So, but the problem was just stopping back. I fix it, but I'm tired now fixing back and forth. So we're gonna
It's not safe.
yeah, it's not safe. So how many years the other one?
2011 to 21.
Okay.
2021, that's 10. 02.
All right.
Oh, that's 12. I've had that microwave for 12 years.
Yeah. I guess this the other one when I'm only gave it to me. They moved to the different states.
The Michigan.
Yeah, so that's why they gave me this. But
Take it with them.
yeah, so it's still working if you fix. We have a new one we bought from the Walmart. So yeah. Yeah, from the Walmart. We put for right now. We left downstairs in the truck because we have a lot to bring here because we have grocery shopping today for our lunch. Dinner. Sorry guys. So yeah, so we're gonna go get later because Ricky and Mark we're going downstairs to throw this away to the trash. But you know guys, yeah, if you are like really in the Philippines, there's have someone get this one, trying to get everything this one the stuff and sell, or some people going to the going to the what do you call to fix that. Like
Here in the
the
United States, we
yeah.
just buy a new one.
Yeah.
Because a nice one costs you between 50 and 70 U.S. American dollars.
Yeah. So well.
Or a big one like $170, $80 or $200. But most Americans don't spend that much on it because we use a lot of stove or oven,
Yeah, we
or
use.
cook outside on a grill, an outdoor grill.
So alright guys. So anyway, we're gonna waiting later for our this one. So what you said, Marky? What you
Yeah,
said?
that's what happened to the shack grill. So we still
I
have it.
still in there our shop grill. So alright guys, we'll see a little bit because we're gonna throw this two microwave in the dumpster. So yeah.
Guys, basura means trash. So that's why I said basura.
We're here now, yay! So yeah, just put for now in here because
Why is it hard to breathe?
I don't have no more space. So that's the new one in there.
Why were you taking
How much you bought that one? 75.
Why
Kinda
were you
like
taking
that.
video?
Huh?
About $80 some.
Yeah. So we're gonna fix that later because I'm cooking right now Pozzoli. It's a Mexican there. So it's kinda messy. A lot of paper here. Dried. I have a guajillo and ancho. So yeah. So it's kinda because it's supposed to be in here. Alright, so I'm gonna fix that later. Alright guys, so we need to open this one here. Is gonna check this one. What is inside? Wow, I'm cooking that. Pozzoli is still boiling there. So this one I'm gonna check. So we're gonna put now this one over there in the countertop. The kitchen. It's a big box. Alright, so that one. Yeah. Oops. Yes, that one. So this one is the inside. There, guys. We need to put this out. Marky, come here. Can you hold the box? Mark, pass there. Can you hold the box? Hold the box.
Why do you need to hold the box?
Hold so I can take this out. Okay? Move there.
Oh,
Okay.
that's easy. One more on the back. Ow, you're squeezing me. Let me just move the box quickly.
Whoops. Let's see, we go. So this is it. So how is so this one, guys, so cubic feet, 1.1 capacity. So this one is like 1,000 watts. See, there's a microwave oven, 100 watts, yeah, like you can put up here the process speed, then convenience, like popcorn, like that. 6 preset menu buttons, weight and time difference, 10 power level. So yeah, okay, so this is it, guys. So now I need to be a bit there. There's some Walmart one in this one. Oops. Alright. Then we're gonna check. So this one is the, there you go. That's the inside. Inside. So this is the plate, the glass in there. All right. Now we're gonna put that one in the. So that one. All right. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna put that in here. It's kinda over there, guys. All right. Yep. Yeah, this one is kinda same the size of the other one, the Frigidaire. And now we're gonna put the outlet in here, guys. There you go. I guess just put for another one there so it doesn't. Now we're gonna pre the time. Well, is the clock, this one, the clock. Now we're gonna put what time is it now? So 7:46. 46. Okay, that one is 7:46. So that's it, guys. When you trying to open, we're gonna push a little bit now there. So, well, just be careful when it's getting open, okay, so it doesn't broken. So this one is inside is pretty much nice there. Yeah. So we're gonna try to hot the water, guys. Okay. And this one, the Pozzoli, guys. So that's our dinner tonight because it's cold now here. So we need some hot and like this. It's called red Pozzoli. Some Mexican dishes. Try this one with hamony like that. I know it's ready now, but alright, now we go back up here. We'll see. I'm gonna get there. Read before use. So read before use. Yeah, that's good. Doesn't come out. So yeah, I put now that one over there. So I guess this, I don't know if coming out or not, because this one here is always came out like our old one, like that, and this one is, I guess, just like that, and we'll see, like that. But I need to wash that first. Alright guys, so I clean this plate over here. Yeah, so we're gonna see if I already cleaned this one, and we'll see if we're gonna do the hot water, guys, if it's working. We have here a cup of water. We'll see if it's work. We're gonna do 2 minutes. Yeah, so that one, guys, so it's inside. See, we're gonna wait till finish that. Alright guys, so it's done. Oh wow, so this is it. Wow, it's hot. See that? It's boiling. So yeah, so guess that's good. It's good. So far so good right now, guys. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe the Bradshaw family, guys. Thank you guys, and we really appreciate it. Bye. It's Pozzoli. It's a Mexican Pozzoli, guys.